Hey everyone, this is an update. This is a year and 5 months in. My hair is fine. Hold on. I might have to work on the bald spot at the back probably in a few months, maybe a year or something like that. But as I said, I got the front done, and basically it's the greatest thing I've ever done in my life. I'm not even joking. Look at that. Pulling at it. As hard as I can. No. It's fantastic. I swear to God, it's insane. I don't know how many haircuts I got done. It's crazy. I have friends who now have done it, and they're all excited about. They're actually, one of them's in the process of doing it. He's not looking back. He's like, thank God that my videos helped. Which, thank you for people who've emailed me and told them how much my videos helped them choose. If you want for me to refer you, email me your mobile number, your name and your email address. I'll refer you, and then what will happen is then you will get a discount, and of course I'll get some kind of like commission or something like that. But it only works if I refer a good few people. But for you, if I refer you, you're going to get something. So, don't wait around and do it. If you really want to do it, there's no fear to doing this. I'm telling you, it's the greatest thing that you're ever going to do. It's the greatest thing that you're ever going to do. It's changed my life since I've got it done. It's completely changed my whole outlook on life. I just feel younger, have more confidence, No, do it. Don't think about doing it. Do it, okay? Email me. I'll talk you through it. I'm here all the time. You email me at hairpalaceguide@gmail.com, because I set up that email account. I have nothing to do with Hair Palace itself. It's just, I'm there to help people. So you just email me, you know what I mean? Eventually, some people have given me their numbers, and I've been chatting with them, kind of talking them through, and it helps them big time. Especially to someone who will tell them anything. It's like, I'm not going to hide anything. I'll tell you anything you need to know about this process. And if you watch any of the previous videos, I'm pretty sure I covered everything. So, anyway, remember to email me and let me refer you, okay? Email me, hairpalaceguide@gmail.com, and I'll refer you. And when I refer you, you'll get an email from the Hair Palace, and they'll say, "Oh, we've seen that you're interested," and you just send you a brochure. So you have none. It's not a commitment. You're not going to be committed. Although I think you should commit to it. If you really think that you need it, I think you should do it. But anyway, there's the hair. Look at that. I've styled it so many different ways now since I've got it done. But it just keeps falling like this because I have nothing in it at the moment. I just showered. Yeah, so it's, yeah,